Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start immediately by equipping Consumable 1 into Slot 1 and confirming its cooldown. This gives you instant mobility. Use it at the first enemy contact to create space, because early displacement prevents clustering. Once done, reposition behind cover and plan your next item usage. Make sure to monitor the 30-second cooldown and any upgrades that reduce it to 10 seconds. Acting fast here sets the tempo for the entire sequence and buys time to chain the next consumable. Once you've created space, trigger Consumable 2 to recover roughly 25% health over 5 seconds while moving away from danger. You use it because sustained healing beats burst heals in evasive play. Next, activate Consumable 3 to gain a short stealth window of about 3 seconds that masks your position. Make sure to chain Consumable 2 into 3 within 1 second, so the healing continues under stealth. This preserves momentum and reduces detection risk during the middle of the encounter. To finish, use Consumable 4 for a final burst escape or defensive buff. This seals the evasion and lets you reset. If your action is interrupted, pause 1.5 seconds to clear the interrupt, then reapply. This avoids wasting charges. Once complete, evaluate positioning and cooldown timers to decide whether to re-engage. A quick troubleshooting tip: if consumables fail, check map awareness first. Moving to higher ground or a choke point often restores effectiveness and prevents repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.